Hey there, have you listened to that great song that Solomon Burke sings called Cry to Me? And you're wondering how to play it, or you're wondering what chords are in the song? Well, today's your lucky day, because I'm going to show you how to play the song. I'm going to show you the chords that are in it and the chord progression. And stick around, because I've got some tips that'll help you play the song and sound just like the song, even though you're not playing with the band. So, that's coming up.
When your baby leaves you all alone and nobody calls you on the phone, don't you feel like crying? Don't you feel like crying? Well, here I am, honey. Come on, cry to me.
Hello and welcome to Your Guitar Guide, the channel where I'm going to help you find your sound with guitar lessons, music, and gear reviews. And today in this Cry to Me guitar lesson, we're going to go over a lot of things. The 3 easy chords that are in it, how to play them, the chord progression, and how to strum the song. So stick around, because a little later on I'm going to show you how to play it and sound just like the song. It's going to spice things up, so stick around for that. Now let's get right into this Cry to Me guitar lesson. Like I said, there's 3 easy chords in the song, and we've got an E, the A, and the B7. Let me show you how to play them. Playing the E, your first finger is going to be on the first fret of the G string. And then the second finger will be on the second fret of the A string, the 5th string. Your third finger will be on the second fret of the D string. And we've got the A chord. You got the A open string, then you're just going to squish 3 fingers into the second fret of the first finger will be on your D string at the second fret, second finger on the G string at the second fret, and third finger is on the B string. That's the A major chord, and then we've got a B7. And this one is you playing it with 4 fingers. Your pinky's down here. But you can play it with just 3 fingers, but don't play that high E string. E7, your first finger is on the first fret of the D string. Your second finger is on the second fret of the A string, the 5th string, and your third finger is going to be here on the second fret of the G string. And then the fourth or pinky will be on the second fret of the E string. But if you want to make it easier, you can remove that pinky and just play, but don't play the high E string. The strumming pattern in the song is down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Now that we've got the chords and the strumming pattern, let me show you the easy chord progression, and then stick around because I'm going to show you how to spice things up. But first, let me show you the chord progression. And it starts out in E. So that's the intro. It'll be, it's in a 4/4 time, so you're playing 1, 2, 3, 4. You're counting to 4 beats, and there's 4 bars in the intro. Then the verse comes in, and you're playing E, you're staying on E. For 4 more bars of E. Then it goes to A. Back to E. B. E. D. E. And then we got the chorus. And the chorus is 2 bars of A. Then there's another verse, which is the same as the verse. And the ending is B. E. B. E. That's not all. In the song, there's a prominent bass line. And it's which I'm gonna show you how to play it. So we're starting on the 5th string at the 4th fret to get this bass line. So start with your 3rd finger, 2nd fret of the A, open E string, and then play the E. And it's just down up when you're strumming the E, because it's fast and you have to get back to the when it goes to the A, you can play the 2nd fret of the E string, open A string, and then go to A. And then you're going to play the same 4-2 on the D string, open A string. Open A string. So we've got going to the A, it's open E string, 2nd fret of the E, open A string, strum the A 1 time, then we're 4-2, open A string, back to the E chord, and then B, E, then there's one part, after that it's mostly strumming, but then it goes back into it on the second verse where you're playing the bass line. And then the end of the song is B, E. I taught you something today. Can you give it a thumbs up? Leave me a comment and check out related content below. It'll help you play this song.